the movement, Mr. Kusi-Boafo. And me de 200. You realize people were saying, sir, Papa way, 2015, 2016, no Tech FM. On one and near Tieno, the world see Kasai pa, my two are buying pa, and then they on Kasabim, and then they see. Yene no better and come live on Nhyira 104.5. Jeff, wait me up away no. Na fe yede eno echo. Interesting. Openyi Kusi-Boafo Reverend. Good morning.
Fine morning.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame adom. Boni bi ani.
Madam, I know aben kakra na etimi ato nkai.
Okay.
Mama nsansati we ni so emma. Good. So who ye?
Nyame adom.
Ede nyankopon ase. Na why abrantie pa o?
Sao.
Ai.
Anso manyino.
Ai, but why abrantie?
Madam ase. Nyame na.
To nkache. They say wo suku ni mu anaze say wo ye den.
Oh, metimi aka say be my retire voluntary retirement.
Okay, from academia.
From academia. So now me project coordinator for World Bank for reforms in Ghana here, also for 7 years.
Oh,
and also chief executive officer public sector reforms of Ghana, office of the president, also for 7 years.
Oh, nice.
Intermediate.
Is it what you are home?
Say, on say, Nhyira home American umuye, who are not your home. Once you are alive, what you are saying, Kwade, Uma, my, Wabusia, and our dofo, our ho. It is a futu in where they will be Odema. Yes, Nana, Nansen, dear, me pay opportunity, sir. Be person me steady near maybe na meti near maybe a sepa.
Who study nyoma?
Be steady near maybe na meti ase.
And nyoma beza.
And near maybe to say Ghana for you soon near bind to say.
After na be steady.
Yeah, be said me person me hu, but me person meti ase. So bo ho a. Oko no hu say o ye year. On fam you know ma papa. But obey to say sabi akọrinsan for near drama more for akopia sorry there. Utranye ye kro be cartons.
Unje den hu.
Dabi ye sofo. Ena me nyame adom abusia ho ye enso se be wo se ni kuru kwase akra no. Eni be say 5 hours.
Maybe you free banner or they buttons.
Or they banner or they buttons. No be ka say Yesu ba on the kind Pope Bible man.
Interesting.
Ti ni emeri bi wo ha. But you see from na do ho fra wo mo a. Na akotena ba bi no omudi nkoma. Udi ye din baby okra me kotena ho a omunum se me Kusi-Boafo na mete ho.
Now observe.
Na me observe. Na me tie bi. Me tie pa obeti ase.
Ne se be age 9-10 months here. Wa bagana fumu 80 atin yo maybe ase yi.
More than that. Be I 8 by 10 but me so me dey na me travel most of the time to my farms. Senya no nkon na me san ye kwanuma. Enso ka ho.
Okay.
Iti ya na bo ha be kofu mu a metimi asisi nkuru so a na o madidi nkoma ansa na madu ti se mituka e bi a 3 hours kura na me nuru asante achuma subu because ese mi girigina kwa so
na ne nkrofo di nkomo
na me hwe nsuo galam se ya obobo din me ya metimi ko gina ho hwe bi busa eti mu nsem ene ho ne ma ne nyina problems a wo mu face many ahemfo bi sira Asia din komo edifa what is actually going on there.
Interesting.
Two person who pay also for me busa why NPP lost the election and what do we expect? What NDC promised Ghanaians and what do we expect from them and how are they delivering? Nyama no mo kan within the time framework omo make his promises. Would they be able to deliver properly for Ghanaians?
Right.
Within the time frame.
Yeah, Beba Hobart. Let me talk to you from time yete unkas Mr. Kusi-Boafo.
Yes.
Nkofo dodo na ese okasa emomu nya agidie se yesesa John Mahama ne de Nana Akufo-Addo ba.
Yes.
Ensesan beba. If you say no be atie wo ne wa analysis na it appears say na o adwina ye betimi dia boa ama Ghana kɔ nanim nti yes abo wudin se besomo man no kra de with that mindset no de anka Ghana betimi aye under baby e de wa share especially public reform because in himself na public nyoma ye basa sikadie basa management leadership problem and so people say they are disappointed in you because you did not deliver what it be
me da o mase na me so me gidi se obi a ohun de me ye bia no obetem ase se me so me de if say me so me deliver a lot more of what you are seeing in terms of technology, any ideas, a lot more emanated from my office. Maybe if you hover.
Saying digitalization.
Yes, by 2018, you publish the direction that Ghana should go. Digitalization, a pillar 6. Also, digitalization in 2018. What in an you never. But near year home documents, ego. My call Rwanda called steady systems. Ediaba. So we say DVR, a lot of things they change you. Most of the things in terms of equipment, omu use no omu printing, the omu de capture data, the omu de be we me am no omu tutu kwan call several countries. So omu nchire media omu pe. And we procured for them. Value for money procurement. Yeah, omu who say yes. Proposals call World Bank. Me ana me chiro say me ana me you.
Proposal be ma ya etia
ya nya access so the opes Ghana dia ye. Enti ese wo chiro we na mpese me ye. Me hia sikase. Kwan say ne be fa so. Time amudi be huni. Enti obi a wako DVR obo wuta ka bi wo ho no kura na me to ka ma wo mo bi wo no ma ne mo beko public sector reforms ene ade netetare ho. So minivan you be Toyota. Ubetimi ehu bi wo ho no.
I said digitalization there. The ye nima mama ye say from NPP was Dr. Bawumia and the buy.
Yeah, definitely yes. Dr. Bawumia. Yeah, there you koko so.
But say obai 2018 there now onye na adwen kra say obaba.
No, why na adwen? Ono no be say a bigger picture of the issue. Now where you so to say obi akoto asase ama wo. No was me be dua banche. Go now you know to be dua banche.
Now say if you office and answer
so definitely
mumu share ye no kind na mumu a project ya na
overall government vision. And only a so they appointment you. Kamimi Kusi-Boafo nke appointment. Yes.
Okay.
What you say? Overall educational direction. Intina doctor aduchum and so buy.
Okay.
What you say? Because president and the vice ehu adia bi ewo wo mumu a ye behia wo mo se omumra emeboa me manfa application anko na na do dan kwakufa
omne frɛ o se
omne frɛ me yes sanam de me kira de me lecturer ha ana wo kasa na me ko tech na me ko kasa timi ko e no se dwuma de ewe ye de ahye wo nsa na indeed ye aha na ye be pesi kafiri Mr. D several countries so many countries yo ma ye bi a successful me ko Rwanda ko sua de me ko Rwanda ko hu ye nyina including drones eno na mu hu no Ghana ha no
I see
entu be ko wo bete se ya ko bo me breu tape bi ho de me ko ho ache na ube hu se de me si share no DVL yi o ma suspending no ni ade nyina no ya se na me ba no aboso so ma suspend o ti ase ya wo system a Ghana no enipa na ye adwuma no momu no a contribute to ye frɛ ma ban adwuma ye for no what you say a football team. This is what I told the president. A football team anka megu no aye rebuilding to say the Karim Zito ya sante kotoko
menti ase obegu dien
megu public sector no
public sector say bia police ni ho na say public sector be na
public sector ni nyina na eba no wo kura academic qualifications, professional qualification, but the mindset of a public sector worker, dear friend, no self-conceited, or they be self no, one farm a boy nipa no te ho, into the sikabe paye. What you say? And now we be call office no be contem. Tis obey late. So what me dey na say? And the onim say brown envelope besu. And dan no be attend to something. Obi file it me yira. Utie sika na ehu ama ho.
public sector wo ne hwan mu ebi ye
public sector workers. What you say? I want the government as a whole, including the government itself.
Abai no.
Parliament is part of the public sector.
Okay.
What you say? All service agencies,
Ghana police,
service, education service, health service, all of them fall under public sector. I just say commercially set up government enterprises set up for commercial purposes. Yeah, I know the onion no pampas so yeah, a friend where SOEs. State-owned enterprises are where bank the near Brehon and the IMF. So what you say?
Yeah.
No dear. Na enka. But one more, you bet you almost free controller dear.
Kabeguno.
Woman nyina for. Nya se me ka se enka megua ye rebuilding because megunu a. Nya se megunu obi nya dwuma wom.
Nka wo bende.
Na che se ebi enye fit for the purpose.
Ebi say na wo okọ ho no ko hu ye.
Ebi a me hu ye ni se nipa bi wo ho a adwuma mu wo no. Ebi kura wa rensa yare. Me ko education service. Police service. Ehu say obi a rensa ma ne nasi nyina atatai. Ozo ye teacher ni. Obi wo ko yi ni be man. Wo ba no kura zip no antimi antum. Da so bia so odi be wura kra so. Enkwara na chense se gina ho no ko mte. Wom do am sache ho under. Ewa halfway area me bokro ni dina e be ha adwen.
Just so yare no ochra de.
Ware insana say na adwen. They say bi no call rehab.
I see.
E bi no age no. Ya mo tete so am no tikura na national identification ba na ani abre den. Omo tete so ama. Utimu say yes, problem ewu. So and ebi no so e carry terminal diseases.
Okay.
Ebi ade ne beko. Ntina na mo ka DNA no ma ya na mo bobo so no. Na ye ya akonya de friend no family tree. Sa na ye ba be use Ghana ntina na akọ hospital. Ye introduce ye advice no boss so edin bebrebe no. Ya wo kwa wo file kura yitim peke no ho. Nti so yare wo bi atamale kura ya urukwa kra information no ho. So ati. Eti yenim obi a family tree. Wo ba be hye wase. Etu ntimi nkwa wo nchen. Ema yesi yenim akora no. Ya ye DNA no e de ahye udinase. Ntimi nua so san akofo oba bi wo ba bi na sebe. Wo san ne wo a akora ne din be hye he. Ebeba be hye wo de na se. Ti na wo register ebusa several questions. Na da wo yiri be mia ni say fe na din na ebeba no. Oni na wo miensa na mienu abeka ho. Na obusa say efiri.
Hey,
will you be able to answer?
Nani nyina ka reforms no ho.
Nani nyina ka ho mi nuane.
Mu di DNA ba reforms ni mu.
Na DNA ama. Ebeda no atrisi family tree no. Amu hu say yare ewe na ewom. Enti se nipa no kwa yare se oso ya ba adwuma da bi okọ hospital esa mokọ na mokọhwe saa de no na mohwe ni history na yi no ebi kura na ye terminal disease
ne se ni nyina be kọ computer no so
ebekọ so
enti ese ebo na janto a
na Kusi-Boafo
o ma bia be ye pie
ni nyina be ye pie ba kokura ni ho se oba na ane wo ye ne nkasa kwara anya ne papa no
enti wo te bia kuma se wa wo akra ye bodi na ebe pie o ma ba ko akra na be boa o. What's a beboa? Sanke beboa na. Definitely yes. No ba no so a wani abre a de na dwan to ahye ho no. Ka hunu sa wona nso so na nyinsen ye. Eti say DNA no so be show. Because de bia ya mo ba ha ma me fi ni ohima mo ta bi. De bia wo be say be ma na say anya ne ba e na ohwe no.
And ohwe no. Please say ye DNA now. Between 5 to 7% of marriages will collapse in Ghana.
Menti ase.
DNA ye gitum say anya compulsory ansa no aye Ghanaian. Ni nyina ya ji obi anya ne ma o di ase
aware ebegu
5 to 7%
ebegu
ebetumagu
nkofo hwe nkofo ma
especially first borns ene wo mo magya wo mo tututu akwan no
Yesu
ya na ya yi no a ene bibi obi omunyinsa na odi ahyew o yesi na odi ahyew
na se bia boga ko be 5 years na bia wa
baba ko no asan akọ no baba na te afa so nti wo mfa nya hwe se footballers bi grow mo kire wo mo na nse mu hu ni azati aze e dey na cover by
enti eno ye part of the but ye implement ye
also eno no dey enti na me ka se eno no behia very strong public orientation
So it has to be compulsory.
Yes, it has to be compulsory.
But that's a good thing anyway.
That is a good thing.
And also under your sector, no now person
I was here na anyama bebre ti DVL local equipment no. It uko na you BBN tema passport office. Uko na you BBN tema. O de ase ube hu say ya anyama ho. Meba no machines no ane ye beye no. O de ase si hia ye beye chip embedded no. Encrophobia, to be frank, machine or Munkofa no Munkoya no Mania, didn't be try contract straight away. You are based on that Attorney General's advice.
Oh, okay.
Which Musa media member machine way
But you are talking about DVL.
We put the money there, $2 million. Yes, I the call back a command World Bank. And this kind of koto. What you say, Central Bank of Ghana.
That's all my yen so fast.
2 million, yen train the next government here or beba no utilizing money no ndia mumu so kujeto and I know ko ye nani age nani ade ade
yes uje sika wo ho
I left a lot of money
so mum fanye sa
yan fen to ho awaiting me say ye ma contract no ye koto aba it could be 50-50. I'm a true Ghanaian, a true patriot.
Anka ubetimi e di ama de besiesi.
Oh, definitely. And yeah, it didn't have better crama so now there about Buntrimu de Senka Bibi.
But Debbie.
Dabi. Maybe your auditors are a chartered accountant by profession.
I see.
And so on to me names are near many.
Anka betimi afa kwan bi aso adi but
o se wundi. Oh, my principle need me
because the metia ni say wunya sika wadi sika enti na wami anu awuntimi nkasa no.
Ni menya sika. Eba me de Uber na ebisi. Don't ba hu say menya Uber. Uber na me de buy. So,
but say wudi sika.
Me na me saranda aban cars about 2 months before the election.
The attitude says wudi sika and now you corrupt.
Me nwa obi e bia. Na kam you corrupt asan kam na ya de attitude na kam na nkezi edi kan che no.
So the reform no eye hu yi.
Reform say the ye hu die ye hu yi say. Me na me tu kwan a me de nsesa ba me ama ntu kwan me refund o musika ma o mutua ho interest number of days ya sika ne ba me ho no mo a bibi ntimi anko esan atua de ma ban receipts no ha sisi a
really
we dan bonya ta mo be me kura ni nyina wa ha o de azie
ko agide be ka no sa de ma ban
yeah definitely to go back me negotiate e save aban no more than $3 to $4 million. Adie bie ni ho a we bank kura approve me ne wo mo tenase ekope experts ba tenase for renegotiations
really
esa no wo mo tenase etete so adwuma koro no a etete so
na dentro wanka because what tenase ya de yetia ne we wieska reforms no di nyeska Mr. Kusi-Boafo ntimi nkasa na no afonti
na bi ohwe me ye adwuma koko me obi ehweso ni emfa koko bags ya onya ye entene dwabase eni nsadwase enwananum afuo ni wono so okay. You give to your bosses me nye obi a me wo penny a me respect penny. I don't take anything out from my leader. Me nye nipa me showcase me ho sa
ne so overhand obema ho sen public reform on
public sector reform in terms of funding what actually created the problems that bibi e call eye covid no a ebetwetwa mu a na was a restructure budget and a whole lot of things to save Ghana. The reforms no you suspended no be say activities ni bi wo a you delay no over a year awaiting the outcome of covid and a honey man ye sign a resume the period no anka was a day no it turned out to be about 2.5 years.
Okay.
Because of covid related matters.
All right.
Inti me dey say me a teacher ni. Sometimes I don't mark myself. Okay. But me I can say me perform very well. Yeah, obi enim say me perform very very well. Me man catch up with it. On say we am I right in here? On say contractor me ma price water out. No. So no yeah gender action plan. Yeah, the be empower emma. Ni nyina me yeah. The next thing ananka me koso yeah no yina me kwan any professional indemnity insurance for roads in Ghana, especially major roads. Take Kumasi to Accra.
Yeah.
Kumasi to Tamale. NABS Sunyane, Kumasi to Obuasi.
Cape Coast to Kwano.
Cape Coast. Then maybe Accra to Takoradi, Cape Coast. Maybe Accra to Ho. Then maybe Accra to Koforiduano.
Yeah.
Kawasi Emasa road do nyina professional insurance.
Okay.
Enti na da bia wote fofo so la na da to him. Several years na road no e da so te Ghana budget him.
Nso ni enye.
How much is your money in terms of road construction?
Okay.
How much do you have? How much in allocate say your day be ya kwan?
Isa.
Amount no so enso ye be say road na gumu na wonte ase near the aba ye nkrofo tirimo kesenene ye be yimi kwan enti pressure aba ye de aso no wo so de agya no ho na hwete sam ne nsu asan beto ase no ne asan awodo biem ti kwan ba konkon ya awodo no be 4 times for the past 15 years
because sikani ho
no mo sikani ho de obetimi aye no aka kire company na ebe ye ne say kwaje professional insurance to back the road construction. So road ya will be between 20 to 30 years.
Okay.
And who repairs your baby insurance company no and ya bebe and your government BM. So what made the say?
Wow. That's great.
Enti ayasa and Kakra road kia ka 30 years ya twem. And no be na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye tema motorway no. Iti nanka ayasa be priority a year. A certain example so my
na nya say portal be into company na be
insurance company no who were to pre-contract and the premium na ma no and na e be ye sa de no what you say
insurance contractor be ni insurance so be say why you road ni
yi what should have gone to contractor no and I say contractor no e beje e de atu insurance no usually become contract pardon entwa mumu kwa na nkrofo achedi. This is the problem we are going through.
In Kenya, Abaya semi yesi ekwana se abame.
Enka major roads there. Enka o ya de asen krofonsa. What you say? Makohwe kwan ni bi. Ko Trinidad and Tobago ebi wo ho. UK krumu wo bi. Enka police patrol kwan no device wo ho. And insurance company no nya banpo na ato. Insurance company no so partner police. Security agencies into omo patrol kwan no na ready road no ma wo mo epeke ma wo mo computer say ahebe say tokro bi ada ha enti na yesi abruchiri e kwan da ho a ba bi pa ya na ye insurance company na
system no wo ho
enti mbe hu ani say ne obi emfa ha ye be ye maintenance enti wuntimi hu port hole for more than a month
enti aban wo da because no so be ye sa issue
kabanya tenense free major roads for the past 20-25 years ni
but man ntimi anye because of time
definitely yes but I'm still pushing so was here yes ade no enti say da bia Kumasi Accra road ebeda ho Kumasi Sunani road Takrade Accra road ebeda ho fofo so la so to Tamale Borga so bede da ho ansa na nketenkete kasa amredi ankade aban de ya abai ka drip yi abai no ka concentrate wo rural areas ne ade ene yi so kasa amre kura no nkemfom kwan ne tractor kwan ene de ade ba bia di food staff se ba na ka drip ya ho adwuma eni kuro nketenkete
nko benya sika kakra no ko betimi de aye
what save da.
I agree with you. This is a perfect engineer ba men dwini we hu I think it's a very perfect
until America had study professional indemnity insurance for road construction.
But I think says I didn't we in bureaucrats no mbe limit because a buying system yeah and na say na ka person reform me because
na reform so na make us aban no kure kan hu aban no kure hia major reform
also go ma dwene na
parliament required major reforms so the minister and workers say what e bi enti na abo mi din workers say parliament requires a very huge reform what you say because bi kura de ye de na kotena ho no o ma na yi bi a onye authority anase woni in-depth knowledge on any discipline bia obetimi ama professional advice
right
and now we professional akura politics ninti obeduru ho no na fe wa be political animal na professionally obetimi akasa kire finance ni na no mete say yenu bi ka say oh that research na mfa hwe amre yen any ade ni we na mte hwe a top person doctor you are a professional. Speak like a professional. Maybe Kusi-Boafo untimi nkasa amfa hwe amre yen. Mintimi nka 100% NDC anye hu. There are things they did well. Even what they are currently there are things they are doing well or might show intentions to do better and also be any year. But there are things so this is how you speak from a professional angle.
And not politics.
There be politics here betoy. Because problem now you tell hono esu.
All right.
Ghana problems is so pa no enough for me.
Oh yeah, but subsequently no
subsequently.
I have already done komo. You already done komo bebre. Say near part 1.
Because
I feel and near part 1.
Idea no go well with you.
I part 1 beba, part 2 beba, part 3
beba.
Part 4
and all assembled. Maybe yeah the nearby kakra
yeah. So the NPP lose here.
NPP lost elections one. Na party no internal wrangling. Party move went no. High. 2, a lot of indiscipline. Control of the entire party structure. Na as a party structure. And who didn't debate control. The government must fear the party structure.
Interesting.
As a by now was no free party in Mumbai, you know. I was say as a by no. Ultimate can say, hey, what is here? Party no, it me catch your say, hey, a hanye, Jai, a higher court. What is here? It's a ban on a party no a actually. And 2 better more. Now we appointments in we are. Any penny be or be a crack of frequent win him deal with free. Maybe I will be in the warfare, maybe will be in the back, will be in Nianum, maybe I win or the number. What he has here? And he quite cry a fast of fed nipper and man neighbor politics in money by your politics a pan. I see any say portfolio ben ukura, dear no de buy ye. What he has here? Yes. No tiadia no kura wo be ye no kura asie ye ana. What the media na say?
Na entisa wo MPP mo ana.
Etisa na make us no kan ho na mema number of no. So internal wrangling na because of the top party hierarchy. Now was it me control certain character near maybe a bem. E bi e die nyada. Dr. Buzia no mo pen so your mobile ya o mo kokoko Victor Usumo pen so e bi di yenya ema MPP no internal wrangling we say e ko fence mbai so at media na say ema party no emu chiche ema e bi ko di UNC and son of Popular Front Party and then UNC no so you by a convention e cream pa William Eba oka Popular Front no UNC di ebomu e beat Dr. Iraliman. What you say?
Omuche muntina kofa
and NPP lost the election terribly. Any did mu and now bounce so 2008 similar circumstances by Alan another factor we no say and also so NPP also lost the election also terribly. What did they make say? And asani nene mu a few years answer so abey. Yeah, ye be mo 2004. Na party no, ye kra no, ye lose election no long ago.
2024 then.
Na bo Canada Japan waka kire them say MPP lost the election when. We need the voice no.
2022 or say 2021.
Say to 2024. And to waka say we lost the election 2 years ago. And yes sir.
Yeah.
Simply because when your unity ultimate win the election. There is no way party any unity. Yeah, metum maka wom enkrofo take and trade decision. Na mo kwato aba. Ese munya absolute unity 2.5 years or 2 years clear before the general election.
Na na munim say na unity ni hon so na mo pushi a candidate say antoma no. Wo bra munim say internally no enyoma nkoi enso yet na MPP go so ka say mo be break 8. Whilst you know say unity ni
definitely. So okasa elections there say your fortune. Anything at all can happen. What you say? Anything at all can happen. On say and this work when they were surprised that they have won the elections.
They were surprised.
Yeah, they were surprised because in ABA, even though economic factors, are more MPP because Sata no countries are koko IMF no. So what you say? Any other idea because of COVID no. high ma unemployment in this by business activities conform higher taxes, stringent measures to rebuild the economy, sacrifices ebemu, job layoffs by Ghana the Ebiama.
Yeah.
What is here? Miami Tebu who say and Sana Ghana best survive no. Now about 15% of Ghanaians workers must go during COVID period.
Right.
Anya juma because in who about so say nipa hu hia na nipa mu okotena fie wan hwe obu na bansa aboka to protect human being. We yes ani nyina no be run into excesses. Oh ba enti memma wanya economic upheaval problems aba. Currency no ntimi nya stable na we nya yi ni abremu more. Enti no opposition no nya field day. COVID really contributed about 30% of NDC victory. And our internal wrangling so contribute to it. Nti ye be kono de na about abeboso. Enti mu ye ayi kakra bia. Na mo internal problems no e de ye nto aba ebe mu a. Na no so akoye se ebe ha nti ye akono 3 parties. But 2 ye and na very strong. NPP and DC. But akubi wo ho ye friend the party a ye nto aba o ton.
Nto aba.
Ai. Na nuetia NPP more. Omo ne enkoto aba. Na na wo more of Ashanti region. Ene Bruna half no mti na Bruna what is you lose a lot of seats. Greater Accra na wo ho. Part of Eastern region so suffer. Yankoto aba no kura. Enough of the lose bebre. Yankoto aba no kura. Voters
but make us say
but you can see visibly good progress.
But that signal no was there. The point is that signal of Yankoto aba because we are experts, you're a researcher. There were a lot of researchers nature say Ghana for say the country was moving towards the wrong direction. So that signal no by even 1 year before 2024, it was 2 years. It was very consistent. It maybe cry NCCAB, CDDAB, Global Info Analytics, EIUAB, Fin Solutions EAB. It was very clear, and yet. Na mo microphone kaze emfa still na mo be win. Is it that say na afi de mo as ye ka say elite scratch for party afi na ye de scratch sem na ebe mu a mo person magi atum say this is the direction na etimi reform me am be Ghana for hum mo bo anase dey.
Okay, my man can say globally until 2020-21 na researcher no so no wo san ko read the wo mo year e show say Ghana ekoyi. Before COVID, now there is no way say NPP no homoten. Well, run social interventions. Any other but growth will restore a cost 7%. Quite significant. What the major enema by free education, whatever, women ba. So what you say, drones we some they introduce technology. No many are the air bus system no. I feel near a camera. So ama areas nurses ya omo abotoa ani emfa omo adwuma abanya ahase efa omo including teachers na fe kwan mu ye smooth what you say nti die ne betwa abayira homam. COVID devastated close to GDP equivalent to 4 times the size of African GDP globally. Ebe say no what you say 75 to 80% of incumbents lost elections. Yeah, tono 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. Omu lusui because of COVID. Kra. Me ne wo ka say na anu ya Gabon Sunday ya we lose election. What you say? Na anu ye mo pobe ya mo oluman no oko. O ma to atia no.
Cameroon.
So what you say? Elections. Malawi almost so lose election. Madagascar so the one day mo pray wake up no. Matese mo DJB another say they want to studio adwuma. Rajolina. One so Ghana akotena Jama France. Yeah, we ma take over the country. What you say? It niam bi ahyase nso develop biem. So ewo bia sa mbre yi ni ade ewo baabi. Enti sa mbre no what you say? Situation no so a eba no. Now, it may not be different from what is happening in Ghana. Into opposition, all that you need to do is ubenya unity. Ubenya nkabomu kesiye.
The air cost uji say unity between aba. Because, for example, Baumia Crawford did Ken atem, Ken Crawford did we atem, away to man, a bronya for her, we are for her. Do you honestly feel? Said the Omuye, unity bet me aba.
Party de this unity ebema etimi gukura. What you say? And etimi bakura. The map or be a better so chair. What you say? Cameroon. Na Amadu Ahajo na president. And a pobi a vice president.
Right.
Amadu Ahajo actually free Kano numini Nigeria, numine Mali, numo type on Niger. Right. No free se funa ninia wabenye sika wo hobe dema on the name twe bro twe hunwi and or the aba president Cameroon enti also mu yi no enti do omokoye Amadu Ahajo ko hospital omokoye no na omakoye fake report pa obi ame aye e bia wa lusu nti metimi aka na wa ame aye sa de no yes Amadu Ahajo yare omso constitution mu so kire se so yare a ada se e be ko general elections anase over hand over to your vice. And one coca say hand over to your vice. Amadu Ahajo you know 4 times ninya yeso yare. And he will be before the election. Samre no so na eneme nko yie. Na probia no say se to aba no a Social Democratic Party e opposition ne beba power. Enu oye ya na yi di free ho. Enu obae. And it say Amadu Ahajo sa akọhwe ne yade mu a yeso nyare. Nti ko osan ya ba enu omopam no no continent ni kuru. What is
ya force na manayare?
Ya force na manayare. Social Democratic Party enso so ba ya. Won ba yire wo mo ho no. Eho no English French no mo sumu ko checheye eyewe te sa ha yi ade ye o. Eni ade. Te say de wo kan eyewe camp. Eno mo sumu cheche basa. Wo mo nya first wo mo de ayi ko no mo nya be 36% e ko 37. Wo mo ba eno de yo mo to ye wo about 3%. Ba kuno nso so break no ho de no o kan wo mo no akote Cameroon Movement for Democracy. E de awin ni election no a ye frɛ no Isa Shiroma ne wa win ni election no asat enra e de ya make say. Wo mo bobo wie ye. Wo no na aba Social Democratic Party no aye photo 3%. Ya parliament kra I think they scored 0.
Eye pobi ya mu party no.
Enye pobi no de ndi omba kakra. Na opposition no na ye very strong during Amadu Ahajo's time no. Yeah, this unity AC no. And no pobi a work ya me mu breaki.
Okay, I see.
Am mo ye in French English.
There's a hona kwete say NPP no.
Akwete say NPP no.
I say.
But omo ti free for English speaking session of Cameroon no ba menda no. And na if we because we English French speaking for no and we ye mu acheche and then opposition na fa no it is so hwemu a me Kusi-Boafo de won't mean for unity ma we shouldn't waste our time on that person
mo candidate no
yes and this I am winning election empo me like with this unity my whole lifetime I may not see NPP in power. Even in this unity. With this, they mean we dear. Number one, Matthew or Mache. Number one, Ken Camp, and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Camp, Honorable Aduchum Camp, Honorable Brian Camp, Engineer Kwabna Japan, and so Campo, Matthew or Moa.
Oh, when you tell me to
oh, media Matthew, but here almost script how this almost Cassani, Metria. But say a rural language analyzer. Me or language analyzer ho. E kire me file tell the computer yes so. On say e ka say ebobone. Na ma be fit language analyzer. We now ba we be hu file languages.
Now more like content analysis and
yes, na the amount. So higher 40, a higher 40.
I see. And yen same free Dr. Baumia.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia himself may not be a problem. Ni followers no amma oma say na tade no omo tete anwa yem
Dr. Baumia.
Yes, and you end up defending more of his followers than even defending Doctor himself. Echese sabri no wo mo edi na chi ni bi kasa no anya mede mimi Kusi-Boafo oti ase ye nko ayefro emfa preko eni achi obeyo atade mu fin
de we de apakato o se ye nko de
you inquire from Fabreko in I've said it several times. And now you enquire chop bar and fem men baby a yesi a nine a dime. Ya can hear you bomber, yes, a bomber.
As I'm quite new to know
no one saying, "I bomber in to Afra, one better over Boca."
But we have problem.
You try to see why no one saying who react to him. Fair now, baby, I say, now chop hard there, and say, of return at the zone neighbor. Young ones and be hanging.
But we have problem, no.
A hobby or be or cancer so hot. Some we so entrenched, say it may be difficult to reunite them after the elections.
Can about me phone?
It may be some of them be a better answer crowd or may join the crowd, and those who know some be join in the crocodile de John. Unity, a be ding. Now you hear unity. When we say unity, chairman or any the chairman in team. So can who asem. My men so free ma, or not so free more parents so I can who asim be. They are unity. A lot more Samia you could know me my casa they are unity. When your unity, yes to say bonsam and bonsam kura and divide no. And then the home failure day and see any
bonsam kura united.
Yes. Satan is a united force.
That's deep.
Against Christ and his followers.
A bayfoni in a kaboom.
And bayfoni in a kaboom, sent yes, or before him. But no one kaboom one come see him. Is in him.
A one course.
One, yes.
To destroy, to steal.
To destroy, and the one thing that Akronfo no cobben crow. What is a Akronfo or more Ekobokronwa or my has here to 2 ball more. Nebo no the omunya unity. No mu ya niche and tokwaba.
And nam no.
Niche. Be ye ne niche no. And me echi obi.
And you can number with me a problem.
A hon mo ne wo ho. Wo mo no pese bi obi de obi akeka bi o ye kan ne ba o mi o ma akeka bi. And ma hwe mu a. Obi wo ho no mo de a. E bi e betena ho ache. What you say? But obi wo ho mo so a. Ba me ayi changes kakra. It more or less, you know. He is speaking more to his people. Any immediate, what you say, to become very circumstantial in all the discussions. No one present or major message ye. No munya kasa. And even within a while on so no. What shall see two or more for den. But what about the larger electorate? Or medical no. What you say? I said that. Yesu Christo beba no and wako say Roman father emuosu na we shall see nga on carton so na. Na Pentecost sofo mini o bomasu no mate say Yesu totroba international. What you say? Now ba ayin so me study ya no me de honorable aduchum ka ho. So far me hu too much of any ayi. Me spot only one but enokra no maybe enye ayi bia me catch and say honestly it could have been packaged different way. This idea you been with the make catch
Dr. Duchu.
Yes, they could have been packaged and explained very well. Only fundamentals. Or no, the other year economy. Once a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia can say patch out and or no can say but only time into honor yankakura.
Okay.
At this unya time. Now lay the foundation to discuss who the media person who interview.
Maybe make me a twist no.
About twist no. It foundation no. Now build the premises here. Say your boy your home modern. What cover COVID in somewhere before COVID. How the economy was moving. What happened in education, road construction, health, and a lot of things. Any innovation in near me be and it's a near many no afani nyina now dia ba what you say no I can't also say be ma be ye bi no am ye nyina Rome was not built in a day.
So more of deductive reasoning.
You must dwell more when communicator. But me this year I told him that my country
nkaye ne sanka
for build the promises any media man bia enkasa lay the foundation first.
No atiase.
Yes, we no bi kura we need foundation no obetum bi fum na ve what they destroy.
And no nankeya hardwin.
And no nankeya hardwin, but maybe we're starting in the growth for no explaining and I may share the repercussion of aftermath.
Okay.
And not to mean who red flag. It means they are doing one. This are general the communication in the year. What you say? Honorable Brian so the okay and no so a change no menu akwabena Japan so the no generally it is also good yeah me so me hu say hono
intimate was here it appears say can never umia red flags no doors for chain other candidates
followers no hona problem no wo ton unti ase
but is it not possible mo na mo ye mpanyefo a mo kire ade a mo tete ye wo ye ka kire se panyi tina se na nanka ye wi na wanka ho hwe de be ka ho
definitely ya do be ka ho se akwala no uko fie bi ne ye twi wi mi omu a mpanimfo ne hunu nom ansa wo fa se bi na na rensa wanya ne ba bi ko enam ko enam si kwadwo ensanye o ya nom wo se wo fa me nam de nsan ba wi ase me beto mo na me nua no me bra wo fa no mpanimfo se na o mu nim nom una na wunim nom a na mo hwe ya me nim nom sine minti na wo betumefo ma je champion aka mo ba ya me ba ya mo nwesere me wesere mu di fufuo se me di fufuo mesian obetoye enti uko na wifo na ba bia nso so abetena na o mo edi wachi no nso so no ya define your character.
I see.
Yes.
They represent you.
Onhwe ya o mo de behyew any wo Romero Dioko concept and no so ye Italian political philosophy.
Okay. But your friends say na ntro
Romero Dioko.
Okay, maybe I know they are telling me.
Yes.
I'm interested. What's it saying?
Romero Dioko, Caesar Borgia, on the bay Pope Alexander.
Ah, okay.
Ni baby ni a friend Romero Dioko.
Okay.
Nana okodin samone was Siena. Sembra Pope na hwe hono. Nana Osma Romero Dioko. Ono na no man could say samone no man. No one keep ni din intact. So as Henry Kissinger. What you say? Ono so no Louis Howe. Ono so na na ye secretary. Media obi be say ragamuffin no me India media you know na man koye. Na Kissinger reputation remains intact. Tamo mu who say say Kissinger na na this edwuma we nyina no. Na say atwam na che. Kissinger survived several including the invasion of the Bay of Pigs Cuba, including Richard Nixon's impeachment or survival several things. What they are here. Presidency bebre the only president here when you Kissinger a year. In fact, later on obey soon 100 days time no use soon. Nanka year Donald Trump.
Okay.
And I can know so on pen. But I tell you who said China, Iraq, you know. What they are here. And we're afraid Kissinger. Now Kissinger say I'm too old. Now then was a call. You need to pray many wheelchair. Or Kobaya 108 times. And a Kissinger. A wee. Or not a free president ya. Ne hopo. A wee say. Statesman extra.
And the dear Kwana noy.
Or what the charisma.
Okay. And when
yes. Yes. What you say? Or who do the cloud. Yes, and that is what NPP will also need now as both party chairman and also as a candidate. And so it me push you.
Sir.
It is a timmy a pushing some be back. So me do want to actually say when I candidate na me Kusi-Boafo e bi akwatanta say me do achira. E was a simple ho me be kan. E was a pushing me that say everyone unru ho and can same way. I say when nimu duane udi mina anywhere you know etimi ye tia aba even though you are not holding a stick.
Leadership.
Yes, sanity. It is a teacher ni bi ye teacher we never teacher for bi o bi kwala na kasa ye bo teacher ni bi dia but ye steady na class hodi ye dey be ntra
the din keke
onya mpie ye mpo ye say na obeba school ate say aka say teacher na afi ye wa droba ene wo beba obi abeko school say start any wo school mu
obi ampen ho ase
da bi obego ama obo ball penalty kura football o say ball no kura obi twa ama half time no wa ball ma san na wa ko second half
then we fa no be
o say when ya ball pa na ugina so na wo twetwe or the discipline ba area
and to when between the discipline how be people
definitely the American say yempe unifier obi a ne hu ni asem wo mo nhwem candidates no wo ho me de no na maka akere wo mo no ma lay foundation be maka akere wo mo say enema wei ane ade wei anyway. NPP cannot win election with a party that is not intact. NPP cannot win an election.
And you want a bit me about
NPP definitely my country say women no they are all NPP members.
Yeah.
As I sit now, they boni ni no ho papa minim pa wo mo de ne ba e bia ebeboa wo man ka betima boa party na minim based on me Kusi-Boafo minim
any leadership
ni leadership ni ayin mu nyina na say when it comes to party chairman Boache Jakun when it comes to presidential candidate Aduchum stand tall when it comes to woman the followers any money bebre.
I see enti chairmanship no o analyze here Boache Jakun was crowd
he has the crowd
and command
he is mass
obetimi aboa
yes
party no
yes the way I see it yes maybe
the presidential no so the Nhyira
Sembebre as we speak today is Dr. Aduchum Nidiba Kuna Kawanya
Dr. Yawose
Aduchum ono na Nhyira Sembebre
o analyze ye no
upulu unity obey more successful as ne because as now minhu guidelines unity ebetimi aba ama the entangling elements no so bi a waka kire obi say okromfo yeto aba ni wie ya na wanya no akono say akwa no a dwanto ani eno anam say okromfo ene wonya kromfo biem who will take you serious
ene e ken ba me afon so makasa panzo
entina kasa we if you have nothing to say don't say it at all.
I see
entina na say ya mache no but that time na me ni niam bi eka because one here American say no. What you say? Now I believe say I'm well poised to say a lot. Obi wo ho no mo a preko na no so papa and so see ball as on aduane bi an offer.
Or the offer.
What you say? Wo kromfo say de nia wa se aboss wo dware a enkotwe mfire dwaye. What you say?
Bia won a limit.
Ai unim nsanom say de na wo ye obroda ya e da wasi bewu mu ani na ho.
Cause so cobra one shall be good mercy.
And the Becqua Hefro, shall white shirt. Libra be near your mammy a year, not Messy woman's. Ye, and no about a bra, a quine at them. I'm the dear quine.
And see, you were 1 minute. Me busabium. Ujina so based on the analysis say NPP chairmanship de betimi aboa na ya akono among all of them Boache Jakun presidential aspirant no so de Baumia Ken ne other places no de Nhyira Sembebre no Aduchum betimi aboa
up to this time na boss saying 9:33 and
yeah
I'm speaking Aduchum will be better
Motona ebeboa
and then we will decide there it should be Aduchum maybe a subsequently minim the beba
but kakra wo as an expert
the man here they abepem no
mo beti
say e two for me dey futu na me dey ama ho and na dey mahu na maka nothing will change my mind up to this time until say remarkable changes yaba we demonstrating and ma for keke what you say so much had been said it is so ba ne be ma ware for ntokwa wa ma ukuna deja adaji oba deja de be ma no si ne hu ni ho hey we ye be ma kai one round be ma 10 minutes be ma pure be ma okura wo do brada ye ka me ma nti wo ka ho afedi e ba ya woni na ka bo mu amato abatam ga mi enkoi na obi busa no say na nye be ma we na ase no hu no so ne hu na ye yie
yemfiu
obi emfiu asem de be free wano aba ye court asem ne afa babu mu kura no de be free wano aba ye fa ne ye de tu ho say tim na akiri de obeka ene senka Judas no nyina sakra ya akiri ekosi de beso sestelia wo mo hye wo makomfo do atiase sende ka wasa kira de a ye mfenhye otiase enti de mesre MPP ni say unity ni de ye behia until say ye benya enkabomu ensam no ayeka no a na NDC ekolete oduru so omso wo voice analyzer ni bi so omukura na ma di bre voice analyzer wo mu obi enti de amu kan nyina wo mu chi ne saa ya mu musa fere so fosu kwa chi no
mu keka bom
wo mu keka ni nyire ebomu a wo mu bonu kokwa ase bonu babia mu bi etie bi wano no amde ye campaign what you say adie bia ye negative on MPP it is there for them to show me amakoto akura bia e wo poku krom area ho what you say ya wo de fredachi e ne ko gina wo ho wo ma so generator akura edan ye siwa ye be nsia e ya kokoo no omodo eyi TV e wo ho no mo a generator esiso mi ko hwe bia koko bo ehihye wi ase bo eni we
propaganda
no mu ye ya no mu di galamsey sa ha ye betu galamsey no ma kotam bo msi untumi na gold ma hu gold da mu mehwebi no ma ta akofa untum video
tinyoma na MPP ye na no eno mu yusu
yi obi won so a ade bi di ni tirimu demu wia edin ankasa so obeyi ade afiri mu oti ase
10 seconds efutu ade be ma Ghana for
10 seconds. A foot on the Bema Ghana for generally is about Galamsey. Galamsey go to now what say a new way because you need technology ye debate what you say.
Yeah.
And ye can say because ya nanum na ni wo mo no. Mini so mu jayi tu. Ensi o Ghana ye 233. Emu 218 ya say no. Galamsey. Enti nanam wo yi bie na me hwe no. So say politicians no nyina no wo mu nyina ni abre wo mu do ma no ne be fore ani ayi wo mu de kan wo mu de eyusu e de ba power obi o de galamsey ye power any ade no because most of them they are political financiers. Most of the galamseyers are financing politics wono no ni taxi driver wo ye say sima no man de ko politics mi nete ho no wo so won kopam no no adan ya didi Upam taxi driver, obeda no adidi. Eye wo mu ba. What you say? Eti galamsey 1. Ya hemfo binuma ye hwe han. Asofo binuma ye hwe han. Ada wa hu sem kofo sofo bi ko gina nsuo hu bomba ye se Nyankopon mo ana galamsey. Say na ya asofo.
Yes.
Hu sa ade no. Hey, sofo. Sana don the baptist be ye yanke eternity. Tell your minister, tell your king, tell your president to say the ekwaso no enya nkasa na wa faili. If you fail to do that, it is ungodly.
Right.
Holy Spirit na be kan kire mo na no ambeka aye no watu kokro be so odaso Ghana. Speak like a man. Na ya kukoduro na da ya be heaven no wo be ka se tie hu konkron wo mo na be dikan wo hell ho. Followed by people who are wo mo a eye ehufo. And a better so sans and the drama for ne akronfo no aba. Mo appreciate drama here amuntu mo. You can't tell your president to say galamsey no enye enti won twa so. No na kan ye.
All right. Thank you.
Enti madam say na men kam ho no mo.
You part 2.
Mo no volumes episode.
I part 2, part 3, part 4. See I feel. Ti o ko ne kasa. Ai, Nyankopon Nhyira. I enjoy. Meaning say on crofo bebre wo ho. NDC fo e de omu kan ne bebre. Omu so powazem. Omu po NDC fo ne powazem pa.
O so meaning say man kan no kura no mewu. Ai. Me na me kan say da mewia aban sika. Na sabanya nkumi nyame nkumi a mesom bosom. What is obi aka bi da?
David.
Obi ebe ma on kan bi challenge me. Se Kusi-Boafo na kan we mi so me ka bi. Se da pa obewia aban sika. What you say? Nyame nkunu a obesom bosom.
Edin. We da say papa. Me ba sisi Nhyira 104.5